Kenyatta University degree.
I am Kenyatta University.
I am Kenyatta University.
Now and forever.
Now and forever.
I pledge to work beside Kenyatta University.
I pledge to work beside Kenyatta University.
To further the excellent, rich and good name of KU.
Rich and good name of KU.
I commit myself to stay in touch with her.
I commit myself to stay in touch with her.
Involved with her. And serving her. I know she will do the same for me.
I know she will do the same for me.
Together, we are all proud to be Kenyatta University alumni.
Kenyatta University alumni.